Hello everyone, I welcome you. Today we are going to choose font background color and which color we are going to use for fonts. Let me just copy this slide and paste it here. For this slide we have it here. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we have it here. Now let's try to find out which colors we are going to use. I absolutely know we are going to use black, one of the more important color, and also I think the white is quite good. Always tries to create contrast. The contrast makes everything look great. And I also agree with a little darker green. No, this kind of purple is good. Let's create another one and make it purple. And also we must choose 5 colors. I'm going to find out. This color is good. Also I love it. Because our background is light, we need to choose something more blacker, more darker, or more lighter. It's so hard to choose a font, but I think this background is good. The 4 black. Let's choose it. Okay. Now we have our 5 colors for the background that we needed. The background colors, the font colors are important and we created them. Now we have the fonts, the colors, and everything we want. Just we need to create our presentation slide. Okay, until that time, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until then, have a nice time. Bye.